Self-care is not optional, but it also doesn't have to be a big time suck for you. Stay tuned while I share how to incorporate this into your daily routines. For those of us that want to enjoy long, healthy, happy lives, we have to take care of ourselves. But our modern culture has set this up as something different that we have to focus on separately from who we are. And that's the problem, because we haven't incorporated the habits to take care of ourselves. And once something's a habit, you don't have to think about it separately. So ask yourself if you have the habits you need to create a healthy environment for your body, your brain, and your mental health. You can break this down into those 3 buckets and just look at what you need to thrive in those areas. If they're all out of whack, you can't address everything at once. Just pick one area and one important habit that you need to create and do that first. And you'll feel so much better and you'll be ready to tackle the next one. And I'll give you an example. A couple of the really big areas that seem like they'd be easy to address, but a lot of people don't. A couple of big items for our physical health are getting enough rest and getting enough water. Our bodies are 98% water. And so it makes sense if we're not ingesting enough water in the course of our day, there's all kinds of health ramifications to that. It's easy enough to drink more liquid. You just need to make it a habit. If there aren't underlying health issues, it should be easy enough to change your habits to get more rest if your body needs more rest. Look at how you're taking care of yourself and change your habits. Don't forget your mental health. There's a lot of isolation and loneliness in our modern society, and that's easy enough to correct if you take ownership of it, if you reach out and make connections with other people. It doesn't have to be in person. You can use online tools. But there's a difference between connecting with others and just posting on social media, isn't there? You need to connect with people, heart to heart, in order to thrive emotionally. And then I mentioned brain health, which really goes back to sleep, enough liquid, and proper nutrition. You may be eating throughout the course of your day, but what are you eating? And are there proper nutrients in that food to fuel your brain so it can function well during the day? These are simple enough things to do, but the majority of the population on the planet does not have habits in place currently to take care of themselves in the manner they need to. Just to recap this, self-care is not a separate function from your daily life. If it is, you're not doing it well. You need to incorporate habits to take care of yourself always.